What's up, YouTubers? Alright, today I have something that lots of people have already. It's been out since 2010, but I just got one. And this is my first impressions of it. It is a G6R from Valken Technologies. I wouldn't mind if it came in a metal case, but it doesn't, so we'll get started on it. Pull this cover off. Then we'll open up. This is it's a G6R, but this is the Valken edition. The G6R. You got a word from Valken Technologies. The operating pressure and LPR, HPR setting. What a chrono at. That's what this one's at. This is a Valken edition G6R. Dust white, lime green. I think it looks awesome. Has a Valken logo on the back. There's LED for the on and off. Yay. Okay, I didn't push in hard enough, I guess. There you go. It's nice looking though. Pretty nice. We'll get to the barrel. I'm thinking that they use CP barrels now, but I think it looks pretty sick on here. Not sure if I'm going to be using a low pressure tank, which I probably should. I've got one, but I may just be using a normal 6845. But that's about it. You got the little O-ring kit here, and the board instructions. Keep this in view. It's 4CI system compatible. I can't remember the name of the board that comes in it though. I know it's a Tadao, but anyway. This is the G6R, my version of it, or actually my review of it so far. I'll get a shooting video of it soon. Anyway, if you guys haven't, subscribe and like and comment, all that stuff. Okay, I did the shooting, and I did the unboxing. Well, here's just a small comparison of one of the smaller guns, the Mini, to the G6R. You could tell in body wise that they're close to the same. Of course, the back on the G6 sticks back a lot more. If you lined up ASAs and the feed neck, the G6R is a little bit longer. We'll do a comparison of it on top of the Mini. As for thickness, G6 is way thinner. Of course, the price comparison too. Side by side. Overall, I'd rather have the G6 personally, but that's just me. Thanks for watching. G6R. My shooting test. Hey Chop, the paint's really crappy. Helps if I have air on again, doesn't it? There's the one shot. G6R. Yay! Finally got one. It's a Valken G6R. As you'll see in the opening video that I done. This is just after shooting. Love this gun. Even though there's one chop, still works.